Hey beautiful people, let me show you what I got from Indigo. They've got the most amazing sale right now. I was gifted a gift card and I thought, why not just go and see what they've got. So let me show you what I've got. I am so excited. This is a beautiful casserole dish. Oh my god, look at the color of that. This is so beautiful. I'm going to leave the sale price at the bottom for you guys. This was originally $39 and I got it on sale. Look at how beautiful and gorgeous that is. Love it so much. I can't wait to put this in the oven with some macaroni and cheese, some baked chicken. Oh my god, so cute. I love the color. I'm trying to add some color to my kitchen. I'm trying to update my kitchen cookware. That's one of them. And then I got myself a new, it's heavy guys. It's a chopping board. Oh my god. So cute. I mean, look at that. This is like marble and wood at the same time. Oh my god. And this was also on sale. This is heavy. The one that I had before cracked in the middle. It wasn't marble and wood. It was another one. It was all wood. And I thought, time to upgrade. And I got this one from Indigo. And again, this was originally $39.50 and it's on sale. I'm going to leave the sale price for you guys. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful.